Alma of the Airwaves and Lucky of the Orange Couch and the last rabbit standing, chocolate rabbit for Easter. It is Tuesday, it's May 4th. Still raining outside. And today, you're gonna see in the video, the morning, we gave the last egg bread actually to the ducks. I don't think they liked it too much. So have a look at the video and then meet the duckle George. This dog appeared out of nowhere. And I mean, look at him. I mean, you cannot keep a straight face. Just looking at him, we met George. Okay, I have a couple of things. I have a joke. I have a joke about the vaccines and how different countries are reacting to the vaccines. And then I have to say the following about these two. Okay, look at this. This is a little angel, which says that always with you. So this is just a little token, a little small token. When I realized last week that the store I used to buy those from is not getting them anymore, so they're not gonna get any more, I remembered to count and look back, and I have to say that since the summer of 2008, I have given to my friends, to 255 people, one of those. Little tokens of love and appreciation. And now that they're not getting them anymore, I only will publish that online. So you can get the picture. You can get the picture of this. It works also virtually. Unfortunately, they don't have it anymore. I brought them to Europe. I mean, I gave one of these as long as they had them to so many of my friends. Yeah, but now they're gone. So they'll stay only online. Viva the internet. Okay, here's the joke. How do different nations, I hope I got it right, how different nations react to the vaccine? So they ask people in Great Britain and say, here, you have to get vaccinated. They said, no, thanks, I don't want the vaccine. And so the government says, well, all gentlemen already got one. So the British guy says, okay, I'm in, give me one. In Germany, do you want the vaccine? No, I don't. It's an order. Okay. In the US, would you like a vaccine, sir? No. Well, but your neighbor got one. Okay, I'm next. In France, all gentlemen got the vaccine. I don't care. It's an order. Couldn't care less. Well, your neighbor got it. Be it. And then they said, oh, you're French. Actually, you're not allowed to get the vaccine if you're French. Really? I want one now. In Poland. In Poland. I don't care about if it's an order, if my neighbor got it, if it's forbidden. I am not getting the vaccine. Okay, but all these other countries got the Russian vaccine. I have one American for you. I have an American one. The Polish guy says, okay, I'm paying 1,000 zloty right away. In Russia, I don't want the vaccine. Oh, you're a weakling. I'm a weakling? There you go. In Bulgaria, do you want the vaccine? Do you want the vaccine? No, I don't want the vaccine. I only want a notice. I want, what do you call this? So they give you not a certificate, but they give you proof that you got vaccinated. And he says, you can keep the vaccine to the doctor. I only need the note. The doctor says, oh, I see what you're saying. But actually the doctor, I mean, the chief of the clinic is involved in that as well. So we have to split it in 3. Okay, for Canada, there was no entry. I propose get a vaccine. Question, is it free? Is it covered by OHIP? If it is, I'll get it. Please send me your ideas. Write to me what you think different nations will say about the vaccination. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and it's going to be May 5th. I'm looking at the calendar.